GDK, German Dana Kebab, a globally recognized premium quick-service restaurant brand, has entered the Indian market with the opening of its first outlet at Film Nagar, Tollywood Lane, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. GBC India, the master franchise partner of GDK in India, announced the launch, marking the beginning of the brand's planned expansion across the country. GDK is targeting more than 450 restaurants in India as part of its long-term growth strategy. Founded in Berlin and headquartered in the United Kingdom, GDK has a presence across the UK, the US, the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Sweden and Ireland. The brand is known for its contemporary take on Dana, combining flame-grilled meat, fresh ingredients, signature sauces and toasted waffle bread. The company said its India proposition would focus on flavor, freshness, quality and protein-oriented food choices. It also aims to establish a connection with younger consumers through its association with music, fashion, sport, fitness and contemporary youth culture. GDK India is being launched by GBC India, which brings experience in food manufacturing, product development, supply chain and franchise development. The partnership between GBC and GDK has developed over more than a decade with a focus on product quality and operational standards. Vikrant Tomar, Chief Executive Officer, GDK India, said the company's objective was not merely to establish a restaurant chain but to develop the Dana category in the country. India has one of the largest and youngest QSR markets in the world. We aim to bring a globally benchmarked Dana experience to Indian consumers, he said, adding that the company's target of more than 450 restaurants would be supported by consistent global standards, fresh ingredients and an experience tailored to India's young consumer base. Ginny Sahni, Managing Director, GBC India, said the company's association with GDK over the past decade had helped it understand the brand's standards and operating culture. Launching GDK in India is a natural next step, bringing freshness, flavor and a global dining experience to our local audience, she said. Following the Hyderabad launch, launching GDK in India is a natural next step, bringing freshness, flavor and a global dining experience to our local audience, she said. Following the Hyderabad launch, the company plans to expand into markets such as Mohali and Chandigarh, besides other emerging Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. The expansion will include a combination of company-owned and franchised outlets. As part of its cultural positioning in India, GDK has also partnered with musician, actor and filmmaker Parmesh Verma as its cultural partner. The association is aimed at connecting the brand with younger audiences through music, entertainment, fashion, fitness and contemporary culture. The company said Hyderabad would serve as the starting point for its India journey, with the long-term ambition of establishing more than 450 outlets across the country.